In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in App Store. If you need to update the card you use for apps, subscriptions, or iCloud, you'll do it in one place on your iPhone or iPad, and those changes will carry across Apple services automatically. Start by unlocking your device and opening the Settings app. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Here, choose Payment and Shipping. If you're prompted to sign in, confirm your Apple ID with your password, Face ID, or Touch ID. This quick check keeps your account secure before you make any billing changes. Inside Payment and Shipping, you have a few useful options. To add a new payment method, select Add Payment Method and follow the prompts. Enter the details for your card or supported payment option, then save. Take a moment to make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file and that the expiration date and security code are correct. Some banks may send a verification alert. Approving that helps prevent declines. To edit an existing card, tap the payment method you want to update. You can adjust information like the expiration date or billing address and then save your changes. Editing is helpful if your card was renewed or your address changed, and it avoids removing and re-adding the same card. To remove an old payment method you no longer use, select it and choose the option to remove it, then confirm. Keep in mind, if you have active subscriptions or a balance due, your account may require at least one valid payment method on file, so make sure another method is ready before you delete the old one. You can also reorder your payment methods. Drag your preferred method to the top to make it your default. When you buy apps, pay for subscriptions, or renew iCloud storage, Apple will try the first method on your list before moving to the next. Reordering is a simple way to control which card is charged first. Once you finish, there's nothing else you need to do. Apple automatically applies your changes across the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, and other Apple services tied to your Apple ID. If a purchase doesn't go through, revisit Payment and Shipping to confirm your details, then try again. That's all there is to it. You've updated your App Store payment method, and you now know how to add, edit, remove, and reorder your options from one secure place.